Okay, guys, this is just a quick summary of what we did in the class yesterday. Though we have two things that we are supposed to discuss, two things, which is working in Excel and automating Excel and getting data from the internet. That is data scribing. But unfortunately, we had a network challenge yesterday and we couldn't cover up what we're supposed to do, which I'm going to include that in the replaces it. So let's stay tuned and have a little patience for us to pause the replay. Okay, now this is what we did yesterday. We discussed about variables, then we now discuss about working in Excel, and what we plan doing. You can see this data on the screen. It is like it's a sales data. I posted it in the group yesterday. It contains this record, product, quantity, and price. So we're going to automate this particular data. We're going to build a bot. What the bot is going to do is it's going to read this data, add extra column, give it a name total, and fill it up with quantity times price is going to be, and after that it's going to write it. We are not going to alter this original file. We are going to take everything into another file, and this is the file result. As you can see, it's empty. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Instead of altering this original data, we are not going to alter the original data. The bot is going to use this data and create and perform on this data and take it to another file, Excel file, which is this. Okay, now we all know the importance of Excel. If you are not using Excel currently now, probably in the future you will use it, or you have someone that is working with large data of Excel. This is just to demonstrate that you can automate Excel. Do anything you do manually, you automate it. You create a bot that do it for you. Now, if you happen to have the opportunity or you're smart enough to identify someone that use Excel to work in a large data, you can easily approach the person, or probably understand what the person is doing, build a bot for the person, and charge the person a little token. You understand? We'll get to that. So we did that yesterday, and I'm going to play the output for you. Thank you. Okay, this is how our workflow looks like after we are done with the whole thing in the class. As you can see, this is the workflow. I'm sure we're going to see this clearly in the replay class. So what we're going to do now, we're going to run this project. We're going to run this project and see what the bot is going to perform, what the action is going to perform on that other empty Excel file. So let's run it and watch out for the output. The Excel file is closed. Both the sales data Excel file and the result Excel file, both of them close. The bot, open one of them. This is the sales data. It's opening to read the data and work on the second one. So let's go back to open it. As you can see, if you pay attention very well, we see that it opens both files, it opens both the sales data and the product data. So let's go back and go and open the two data. So this is the result. You can see it now. Let's open it. And here it is. Let me make it full. Here it is. When you remember, if you remember vividly, you will see that this was empty and the sales data was not tampered with. The sales data was not tampered with. Let me open the sales data too as well. The sales data was not tampered with. This is the sales data file. This is the sales data. The sales data was not tampered with. Then the result data, here is it, that was empty, is now filled with the product, quantity, price, and the new column. This is the power of RPA. Imagine working with a large data and the raw data, you don't want to tamper with it, and you need to do one or two things, perform one or two operation on them. So this is so, and we're going to upload the replay link so that we can see it. This is just a summary of what we did in the class. Thank you for watching.